Hey guys, it's Vivrock1 and I'm back at it again with another Midnight Racing Tokyo video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a normal Supra, which you can buy pretty much as soon as on the first day of starting, as you get like 5 million the first day, 5 million yen, and the Supra is like 4 million yen. So you can pretty much buy the Supra, and I'm going to show you how to make it just like the one which Paul Walker drove in the first movie. And by the way, Paul Walker unfortunately passed away in 2013. So yeah, that's very bad news, but this is a tribute to him. So what the first thing which you're going to have to do is go to the there's like a Porsche show like here, Porsche show many. So the first thing which you have to do is like go into the car dealership and click on this badge. This is the Toyota badge in the game. Just scroll down and buy the 2002 Yokoda Supreme. It should look like this, guys. This stock Supra. It's a very fun car to drive, guys. You'll really enjoy it. So after you've bought that car, you'll be left with like 1 million to spare. So I actually haven't calculated the cost of how much these modifications are gonna cost you, but yeah. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get right into the modifications. And once you spawn your stock Supra, it should look something like this. It's just a plain old Supra. It's nothing that too special. So what you're gonna have to do is, second thing, get into your Supra, put in the reverse gear, and then let's head to the body shop, which is just about here. So after you go into the body shop, you're gonna have to buy a couple of kits, guys. But I've actually already bought all those kits before starting this video, so I'm not gonna show you the entire process. I'm just gonna show you how to get into a body shop. Just press E like this, and all the mods will appear here. I don't know, my game is a little slow today, so yeah, all the mods will appear here. You have like fenders. Don't do the fenders. I'm just going to tell you what all mods you have to do to convert this ordinary Supra into the one which Paul Walker drove in the movie. And guys, I'm not going to put on those graphics because unfortunately this game does not have those kind of graphics, the stickers on the side, the green stickers. So except the stickers, I'm going to try my very best to make this Supra into the one from the movie, guys. So now what you have to do is remove the stock one and then go to your garage, and this is what your Supra should look like. Then you have to go into customize body kits, and what you have to do is for the front bumper you have to put on the uh, red body Aizawa race bumper. Oh sorry, not this, the S East Supreme racing bumper. So this is the bumper which you have to put on. This is very close to the one which Paul Walker drove in the movie. It's not exactly the same, but this is the closest I could find. And guys, don't point out like really minute errors like, Viv, this is not right, that is not right, this is a little off, that is a little off, spoiler is not right. Guys, I'm working with whatever I have in this game, so yeah, bear with me. For the wheels, you're gonna have to equip the Advanced RT. These wheels are also pretty similar. They are pretty similar to the ones which Paul Walker had on his Supra. They're pretty similar, but they're not exactly the same. And once you go to the bumper, you have to equip this red body Minagawa exclusive. Yeah, this one. This is pretty much the exact bumper of Paul Walker Supra. And after that, what you have to do is, guys, it is completely your choice if you want to upgrade the intercooler. I'm just going to upgrade it just for like so that, I don't know, maybe it gives better performances. Go into this and choose the Supreme GT wing. This is the closest wing I could find, guys, to the one which Paul Walker drove. I think it's pretty close. I don't know if it's really that accurate, but yeah, it's the closest I could find. Side skirts, and we are going to go into these. I actually can't remember which one it was. I think it was this one. Nope, not this one. Yeah, this is the one I'm going to put a link of all the parts which I'm using in this video in the description, so that you don't have to like search and search and search. I'm just going to put everything, all the parts names in the description, guys. And for the back, if you want to put on a Supra logo like this, it's fine. If you don't, it's not, it's no big deal. It doesn't do anything like that. And for the hood, guys, we are going to go with the OEM YRD hood, which is this thing. Yep, signature. So guys, yeah, that's all we have equipped, and now we're going to move on to the paint. So with the paint, guys, the entire car is pretty much orange. So oops, pretty much orange. So we're going to select everything. Just keep on selecting the entire body. Whatever is white, just select it, and also the skirts, and make it an orange. A little on the lighter side. Reflectance 0. Actually, don't make it that non-reflective. Just make it 2%. That should probably be enough. But the spoiler is now orange. We are gonna have to change that, and just pick whatever orange you prefer, whichever you think is more accurate. I'm just gonna pick this one because I really like it, and it's pretty accurate to the movie. Spoiler, I'm gonna go, and the spoiler in the movie is like a dark gray or something like that. So I'm gonna take it here all the way white and make it like that. Yeah, dark gray, and reflectance here completely 0. Yep, a little more lighter, I think. Yeah, that's about it. Reflectance 0. And for the wheels, I'm just gonna select everything: spokes, caps, secondary, spokes, cap, secondary, lugs, let them be, but everything is going to become like this whiter shade, and 0% reflectance, obviously. That's a little too light. uh, Gonna be a little bit of adjustment, guys. And yep, that's about it. That's about what you need to make your Supra look just like Paul Walker's, mostly. Except for the graphics, I can't do anything about that. I just can't, guys. I can't do anything about those graphics. So yep, that was how to make your Supra just look just like Paul Walker's. Fast and Furious has had a great impact on car culture, guys. Some negative impact, some not so, some positive impacts, but you can't deny that the Fast and Furious movies are a bunch of great movies, and I'm very excited to watch Fast 10. There's lockdown in my country, so I can't watch it. But as soon as it comes out and this lockdown lifts, I'm gonna watch it, guys. Because yeah, being part of the Fast fam, you have to watch every Fast and Furious movie. Oh, no, 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 no. So I'm just going to do a quick like uphill cruise, and I'm just going to end the video after that. So I'm just going to show you how this thing drives. And if you like my representation of Paul Walker Supra, I have tried to replicate it as closely as I could. I couldn't do anything about the graphics, as I before mentioned. They weren't available in this game, so I couldn't do anything about those, but everything else I have seen Google pictures, and whatever I could find that was closest to his, I have put everything into this car. Guys, this video took a lot of time to make, as I had to check every body kit many times to see how close it was, how nice it was. So yeah, this video took lots of time to make. I hope you like it, and I hope you can replicate Paul Walker Supra to pay your respects to him. He's a very good guy. Recently I heard that all of his cars were auctioned, and almost 100 or like 100% of all the money collected went to his charity. So he was a very kind-hearted guy. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2013. He was involved in a car accident. So yeah, that's really sad, but what to do? Things happen. So yeah, that's it for my video, guys. Ending on a little bit of a sad note, but I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, guys. Sorry, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like, donate to Paul Walker's charity, and subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my friends channels, link to in the description, and all the parts used in this video and the link to this game will all be in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.